In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use add-ons on Stremio. Whether you're new to Stremio or just looking to expand your knowledge on this versatile platform, this guide will take you through the process of finding, installing, and utilizing add-ons in a smooth and straightforward manner. Let's begin by opening Stremio. You can do this on any device where you have Stremio installed, as the process is quite similar. Once Stremio is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the add-ons icon, which is represented by a puzzle piece. This icon is your gateway to the world of expanded content and features available through Stremio's add-ons. After clicking the add-ons icon, you're taken to a page where you can start exploring a variety of add-ons that Stremio offers. These are divided into two categories: official and community add-ons. Official add-ons are supported by the Stremio team and usually offer a more standardized experience. Community add-ons, on the other hand, are created by other users and developers, providing a wide range of additional functionalities and content from different media sources. To help you find exactly what you're looking for, there's a handy search bar available. If you have a specific add-on in mind, simply type its name into the search bar. This feature is incredibly useful because of the vast number of add-ons available. If you don't have a specific add-on in mind, feel free to browse through the options. You might come across something new and exciting that enhances your streaming experience. Once you've found an add-on that piques your interest, the next step is to install it. Locate the install button next to the add-on's name and give it a click. The installation is swift, and once it's done, the add-on will be linked to your account. This means that whenever you sign into Stremio on any device, your installed add-ons will follow you, providing a seamless streaming experience. This straightforward process not only broadens the scope of content you can access, but also customizes and personalizes your Stremio account to suit your viewing preferences. As you explore more add-ons, you'll discover endless possibilities, from live TV channels, movie streaming libraries, to personalized content suggestions. So there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive method to enhance your Stremio experience with add-ons. Feel free to experiment with different add-ons to find what best suits your viewing habits. That's all for today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and informative videos. See you next time.